ये सीजन 2 अच्छा होगा नहीं होगा पसंद आएगा, यू आर प्रोबेबली लिविंग दैट राइट नाउ।
वो बाल आपने देखे फर्स्ट सीजन में बिल्कुल काले थे, अब सफेद हो गए।
सफेद हो गए।
The three can sit together and talk, and which is amazing.
बोलो जेनजी को करने ऐसे।
Understanding of rock and pop, even of that age, when sometimes people play it, I'm like, ये क्या है? क्योंकि काफी वाकई नहीं सुना, never got into the disco culture.
Shiba plays my wife in
Yeah.
मिर्जापुर also.
Yes.
तो मैंने इसमें एक आध बार इसको वसुधा बुला दिया।
That Rohini is my lucky charm, and she's the person who introduced me to the world, introducing Ritvik
That's
Bhaumik at the
true.
opening of Mandish
That's
Planet.
true.
Thank you for that. Thank you. We are here
Thank
together
you.
again.
Just to fill me, just to fill me.
राने के साथ बैठे हो तो आप बिल्कुल ऐसे ही बैठे जैसे कि आप भी घर आए हो। घर आना ही होता है। घर आइए आज राठौड़ परिवार से मिलने के लिए, एक ऐसा घराना जो कहीं ना कहीं आपके और मेरे घरों में चुपके से बैठा है पिछले 4 सालों से। बंदिश बैंडिट सीजन 2 is going to be on Amazon Prime Video and I'm sitting with the राठौड़ परिवार and Arkya.
क्या के लिए?
What is this?
I don't know what this combination
What is this?
I'm repping them.
You're clearly.
Please direct your questions here.
Oh my God. Okay, so firstly, let me tell you, it was absolutely a delight to watch season 2. Okay, so first of all,
You saw
all of it. All of it. Okay.
Okay.
So we don't want to give too many spoilers, but I do want to say that there is a fear, going in, and it's called the season 2 curse. Which one of you was the most nervous about it? Please tell me. कि season 2 अच्छा होगा नहीं होगा पसंद आएगा, you all are probably living that right now. So
I think Anand was.
क्योंकि वो बाल आपने देखे फर्स्ट सीजन में बिल्कुल काले थे, अब सफेद हो गए।
सफेद हो गए, बिल्कुल
दाढ़ी भी।
Yeah, I think आपको तो मालूम है कि बहुत अच्छा है। I hope आपको भी ऐसा
नहीं
लगे।
क्या था कि फर्स्ट सीजन की जब कहानी सुनाई थी, मुझे घर आए थे आनंद, और तभी उन्होंने एक सेकंड सीजन का एक जनरल दे दिया था कि क्या कैसे कहाँ पे जाएंगे वगैरह वगैरह। तो मैं तो बिल्कुल कॉन्फिडेंट था, क्योंकि पहला सीजन लिखने के लिए उन्होंने 2.5 साल लिए थे।
बिल्कुल।
तो अब ये जो 4 साल बीच में गए हैं, वो बहुत मेहनत की है सारे राइटर्स की टीम ने, जो भी लोग हैं उस टीम में, और बहुत सारे और कैरेक्टर्स हैं, जैसा कि आपने देखा है बहुत नए कैरेक्टर्स हैं, यंग म्यूजिशियंस हैं।
बिल्कुल।
तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसी को भी कोई भी शंका थी मन में कि ये कैसे जाएगा, क्या होगा, क्योंकि दिमाग में था और एक तैयारी थी अंदर कि मेहनत करके उसको अच्छे से अच्छा बनाएंगे, ना सिर्फ राइटिंग बल्कि म्यूजिक भी, जो इतना बढ़िया है।
बिल्कुल म्यूजिक इज, एंड दैट्स आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट विन ऑफ द शो। देयर आर वेरी
Yeah.
फ्यू शोज जो हम म्यूजिक के लिए देखते हैं, बिकॉज आई थिंक व्हेन ओटीटी केम एज अ रेडियो प्रेजेंटर, मैं तो बहुत डर गई। मैंने कहा म्यूजिक चला जाएगा क्या, बिकॉज द फॉर्मेट डजंट लेंड इटसेल्फ टू म्यूजिक, एंड हियर यू हैव अ शो जहां पर हर एपिसोड में 4 गाने हैं, एंड इट्स एब्सोल्युटली वंडरफुल। शिवा जी, टू से दैट यू आर अ गुड एक्टर वुड बी एन अंडरस्टेटमेंट, सो वाओ, यू आर फैंटास्टिक एंड वी नो दैट, ऑल ऑफ अस। सो व्हाई इज शी लुकिंग
Like भी मतलब क्या ही?
अरे रहने दो तो
है ना
ठीक है,
हो यार, हो आप। लेकिन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक के बारे में बात करने में एक जो कन्विक्शन होती है, वो सिर्फ उन्हीं को होती है जो जानते हैं ये म्यूजिक। तो मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि आप कितनी वाकिफ हैं क्लासिकल म्यूजिक के साथ, कि क्योंकि स्क्रीन पर तो ऐसे लग रहा है कि आप हमें पढ़ा सकती हैं।
बिल्कुल, हम इन्हीं के पास जाते हैं।
नहीं मतलब ये पक्का है कि बहुत यंग एज से बहुत ज़्यादा जुड़ाव रहा है, ये पक्की बात है। क्योंकि दिल्ली से थे, तो दिल्ली में बहुत सुंदर चीज़ होती है कि यार कम विंटर एंड देयर बी लाइक अ स्लू ऑफ
बैठक कल्चर,
बैठक भी इतना नहीं, आप मतलब थिएटर में ही जाएंगे, बट यू विल हियर द गुरुज ऑफ द गुरुज, एंड देयर यूज्ड टू बी अ ब्यूटीफुल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कॉल्ड स्पिक मके।
या ऑफ
तो
कोर्स।
हम अपने कॉलेज में बैठ के भीमसेन जोशी साहब और ऐसे मतलब कितने ही दिग्गज लोगों को सुना हुआ है, ऐसे ही। एंड थोड़ा बहुत या आई थिंक आई यूज्ड टू लर्न ओडिसी फॉर अ व्हाइल, अबाउट 5-6 years. So उससे भी just the anything classicalness I think has been a very strong thing of formative years. And फिर सुनना all the time, घर पे हमेशा बहुत बजता था। पता कुछ नहीं, but as opposed to, that's why my understanding of rock and pop, even of that age, when sometimes people play it, I'm like, ये क्या है? क्योंकि काफ़ी वाकई नहीं सुना, never got into the disco culture, कुछ रहा ही ऐसा सा, तो घर पे भी मैं और मेरी बहन अक्सर वो ही सुनते थे, तो वो एक जुड़ाव रहा है, तो when Anand came with this, it was like, oh yeah, it's like just yeah. So yeah, just that.
Yeah, बसंत बहार जो आपने हमको सिखाया इस शो में, I mean, it's great. I mean, a lot of people who may not have the privilege to learn classical music, may not have the time, at least learn that much. So thank you for that. Ritvik, I remember this is a very special interview for us because
Yes.
this is the first time we're actually sitting and doing this.
Yes.
But season 1, I remember lockdown में थे हम, we launched the show online.
Yes.
And I remember saying I was so excited for the show. And here we are today. So let me just say this straight up front. Season 2, I feel that like while Shreya was finding her voice as a character, you actually sang better. You know, it's a beautiful thing. I mean, I could see that. Do you think that you had a leap of some growth as an actor into season 2?
Before I answer that, I'm going to say the same thing that I say every time I do an interview with you, that Rohini is my lucky charm, and she's the person who introduced me to the world, introducing Ritvik
That's
Bhaumik at the
true.
opening of Bandish
That's
Bandit.
true.
So thank you for that. Thank you. We are here
Thank
together
you.
again.
Thank you.
I'm so
We're very
glad.
thankful to
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
thank
so
you.
happy. I'm
Thank you
so
so
happy.
much. Thank you.
Thank you. Having said that, to your question, I do feel that as an actor, I'm getting an opportunity to grow with every project that I'm doing, and so much so more because of Bandish Bandits, because that's the most amount of time I've spent in the past 5-6 years. Close to a year making season 1, close to a year and a half making season 2. So 2.5 years of making the same show in 2 seasons. I think the most amount of growth I have come to terms with has happened on this show. So yeah.
Yeah, I think it's fantastic, and I like the fact that the two of you play this sort of, you know, what happens when an artist has an ego, and what happens when an artist doesn't. You know,
Yep.
that is also something that I think they
Absolutely.
explore very well in the
Yeah,
show.
thank you.
Rajesh ji, you and I have spoken before this many times, but what I find fascinating is your vulnerability in that father every time. It's a different father. Okay, it's a weak father. And I don't know how to say this except thank you for being a weak patriarch. It's
That's
a
very
compliment,
interestingly put.
yeah.
That's very interestingly put.
I mean, does it take, how does a man actually play a man that he's probably not, you know, seen before?
मैं जनरली एज एन एक्टर मेरी अप्रोच हर कैरेक्टर में ये रहती है कि जनरली लोग उसके पावर और उसकी उस चीज़ को पकड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं. मैं हर कैरेक्टर के उसकी वल्नरेबिलिटीज़ को खोजने की कोशिश करता हूँ, उनको प्ले करने की कोशिश करता हूँ हमेशा. कि कमज़ोरी दिखाई देगी तो ताकत दिखाई देगी, यूनिडिमेंशनल नहीं होना चाहिए, तो हमेशा कमज़ोरी ढूंढने की कोशिश करता हूँ हर कैरेक्टर की. और इसमें मुझे लगता है कि इस कैरेक्टर की ताकत भी है कहीं. जैसे उसका सबसे बड़ी ताकत है शायद उसका पेशेंस, जिस चीज़ के वो इंतज़ार में है, अपने संगीत को छोड़ चुका है जिसके, और बड़प्पन शायद ओढ़ना पड़ा हो, लेकिन पेशेंस, और चाहे वो पेशेंस संगीत के लिए हो और चाहे वो पेशेंस प्यार के लिए हो,
बिल्कुल
दोनों ही मैं उसको.
Nobody expected the love triangle in this quarter, guys. I just want to say, it's so amazing to see, you know, just mature love.
Yeah.
You know, ये हमें दिखता ही नहीं है, और होता होगा पता नहीं, लेकिन अगर हम अपने माँ बाप से पूछें कि क्या आप दोबारा से शादी करेंगे या फिर क्या आपको दोबारा से मोहब्बत होगी, I don't think they give themselves the permission. So anyone can actually take this. Do you think that's important, this track, for those who want to perhaps love again?
क्या बात है.
100%.
Yeah.
I find this space very
Underexplored.
and of course underexplored, completely underexplored. And I think often I get asked that what is it that you would like to, what are the kind of roles, is a normal interview question, है ना? So there are 2 roles. I think for me is that I would love to play Mirabai, and I would love a real love story
Mirabai,
which is written really authentically. So this, for me, this space is a very interesting space to navigate, and I'm very glad that it sort of, how do I say, into another level, in another way in this season, and yet not, because that is a parameter and space of this show, and it is within that. But the fact that it's alive and it's I think the amount of messages on Instagram I get about this track, it's
Yes.
like, it's insane about our track is
Yeah.
crazy, quite crazy. So
That's what when Virah was, I mean, I heard it for the first time. That's what I was thinking कि ये कौन गा रहे हैं तो मतलब ये matured लोग बैठे हैं सामने और वो अभी भी कह रहा है कि यार तू नहीं मिली. So
क्या
I
बात है,
think
yeah.
it is see, and you cannot do it unless and until it is written well, as you said, that with that maturity.
Yes.
And this has been written so well, the entire track.
Yeah.
And especially in the second season, you must have seen that the three can sit together and talk. And which is amazing.
बोलो जेन जी को
because-
करने ऐसे.
रिफ्रेशिंग है ना बेंचिंग घोस्टिंग के जमाने में
Yeah, baby, absolutely.
इस तरह का प्यार.
बिल्कुल,
हाँ।
बिल्कुल.
और क्या ही लकी होगी वो लड़की जो दो
Ghost
बैठ के उसको मनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
वही तो. The team has the universe is split into team Digvijay and team him. अभी कैसे करेंगे? But thank you for doing this. It means a lot to a lot of people who probably are not even on Instagram. बहुत जरूरी है ये. The chance, the idea of a chance again of mature conversations, of mature love. It really it warms my heart. Thank you. Speaking of warms my, I don't know what, but I just wait for your lines. Have you written your own lines?
No. I mean,
Who talks like that?
Argya.
and Kunal.
No, not Kunal. It's a lot of, I mean, the writers have done most of the writing. Anand has written a lot of the lines himself. And a lot of the times we jam on set and we do come up with one or two lines on set as well. So there's always like, then I'll be in Anand's ear, then he'll say yes, he'll say no, whatever. So that leeway he gives me, and so sometimes he comes up with it, sometimes I'll put a little addition in, but the major heavy lifting is done by the writers.
No, but I enjoy it every time you're on screen because, for the lack of a better word, I'm from the city. So I know there is a certain leh to the way we talk, which is absolute. मतलब हमारी तो भाषा ही नहीं है.
Right.
So उस भाषा के ना होने की जो भाषा है वो आर्या की भाषा है. And I love it because we can't speak Hindi or English correctly.
We can't speak any language.
Any language correctly, and it's refreshing. And I love the fact that the characters carry on, because the characters are still here with us. And every time you come on screen, I can't wait to watch a scene with you, KRK. You know that. I don't know if everybody calls you that. But
Some people.
I'm okay to call you.
Yeah, please.
Okay, great. We have 2 segments to go. One of them, of course, is a contest against your biggest rivals, guys, which is, of course, royalty free.
Yes,
So
that's true.
IBC can wait. Usse pehle JTF hoga, which is Just Too Filmy. It is a quiz, so we'll come to that. Are you guys ready?
Yes, Rathod.
All right, the Rathod Parivar, the Rathod Khandan is ready. All right, so this is a game called Who is Most Likely To, जहाँ पर आप या तो खुद को या किसी और को nominate कर सकते हैं in the following. Who is most likely to forget the lyrics of a song?
She's pressed the
Yes,
buzzer.
इनकी हंसी बता रही है. Shibaji is the right answer. Sing in the shower.
Sing in the shower.
Sing in the shower.
Sing in the shower.
Probably
I
Ritvik.
sing
Yeah,
in the shower.
Ritvik.
Yeah,
Ritvik.
I do it.
Fantastic. Up. Suddenly, I'm finding very uncomfortable asking Atul ji what he's like in the shower. मुझे माफ कीजिए, please. Do you sing in the
नहीं
shower?
कोई दिक्कत नहीं. आप इमेजिन कीजिए वैसे कोई दिक्कत नहीं. शार में जरूर गाना पड़ा
है ना?
बंदिश बैंडिट्स के लिए,
है ना?
क्योंकि ऐसे लिरिक्स पकड़ाए थे इन लोगों ने कि मतलब आप बहुत डिसेंट है कि आपने शार तक ही आप गई हैं. वरना हर जगह जाके सिर्फ लिरिक्स
क्या बात है.
याद की.
बहुत शुक्रिया. Lovely. Forget the names of their co-stars. Not because they're egoistical, because they have a bad memory, guys. Atul ji.
I think we all
Shiva ji.
can. अरे
I
भाई.
also
Rajesh ji.
बहुत
Oh
हम
my
तो.
God.
I forget my wife's name.
Yeah.
I forgot
मैं उसको
mine.
मेरी बहन के नाम से बुलाता हूँ, बहन को हाँ वाइफ के नाम से बुलाता हूँ. आई एम वेरी बैड एट नेम्स.
वो तो एक टाइम के बाद
Very
जाके
bad.
एक सा ही हो जाता है.
जी जी बिल्कुल. और जयश्री मैं आपको बता दूं,
This is why I love her. Oh my
मेरे
God.
साथ ऐसा जरूर हुआ है कि बिकॉज शीबा प्लेज my wife in
Yes.
Mirzapur also.
Yes.
तो मैंने इसमें एक आध बार इसको वसुधा बुला दिया है. Which is the name in Mirzapur.
या कितने बच्चे हैं आपके? हाँ कितने बच्चे हैं आप दोनों के? इन द मल्टीवर्स ऑफ Amazon Prime.
वो बच्चों से रिकॉग्नाइज करती कि अच्छा सॉरी
अच्छा, मैं कौन से सेट पे हूँ?
आप उसको
ऋतिक को देख वसुधा no मोहिनी.
This is hilarious. Be bad at math.
At math.
Oh God, I'm shit at math.
Yeah, yeah,
मैं BSc
Horror of
mathematics.
math. You
very bad.
also?
Yeah, very bad.
Oh, I would have
Very
thought
bad
you
at
would be
maths.
good at math.
No, why? Why would you think that?
That I'll tell you later.
No. I'm
Terrible.
extremely bad.
Love it.
नहीं राठौड़ लेकिन फिबोनाची सीक्वेंस में अच्छे हो गए.
बिल्कुल. The two of you are good. And of course he said he's आपने
yes.
I did BSc in
BSc in
mathematics.
maths.
BSc
I don't know
in
what
maths.
math is.
I don't know what math.
Maths क्या? Guys, this is
What
one
do
of my
you think about
favorites. Eat too much at a buffet.
Oh, I can't.
Kunal's looking away. Fantastic. Bunk working out.
Bunk working out.
Again.
Oh, please.
Yeah.
कैसे सवाल पूछ रही हो यार? सब में हाँ बोलना पड़ रहा है.
Sorry. Sing badly.
All of us.
अच्छा.
Rathor's for
No,
the
you
baby.
sing very
You
well.
sing. He sings really well.
No, not at all.
He does.
We'll find out in the next segment.
Nah.
यहाँ तो आना भी मत.
All right, thank you so much. We really got to know too much about Atul Kulkarni in this segment. Thank you, sir. Thank you. All right, our next segment is called Just to Fill Me Quiz.
All right.
Sing a song edition.
Oh, God.
Let me tell you, your opposite team, which is royalty free,
Right.
has got 6 on 7.
6
Oh
on
my
7.
God.
So
They're
you
so
have to get
competitive.
at least 6 on 7.
All right.
All the best.
We have to get at least 6
अब
on
मैं
7.
आती
But
हूँ
now-
what is it?
10 मिनट के
करना
बाद.
क्या है?
Is game के लिए you can either nominate someone to sing the songs
Okay.
or you can do group effort. Whatever.
Group effort.
Group effort. All right. Number 1. Sing me a Kishore Kumar song.
No, you sing.
Okay.
We'll be chorus.
भीगी
भागी सी सोती रातों में जागी सी मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे न पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है.
Sing me a Kumar Sanu Alka Yagnik song.
हाय राम. यार हम सिंगिंग की एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं. हम सिंगर थोड़े हैं.
अरे लोग मजा आ रहा है.
दिल दे के दिल दिया है सौदा प्यार का किया है
दिल की बाजी जीता दिल हार कर बाजीगरो बाजीगर. क्या बात है. Well done. राधे राधे. Sing me a Vinod Rathod song. Anybody?
विनोद राठौर सॉन्ग
Radhe is saving
कब आया
this.
फिल्म?
ये कौन-
ये
I'll
कौन
tell
सा
you, I'll
फिल्म
tell
कब
you.
आई है?
मुझे मोहम्मद अजीज के गाने याद आ रहे हैं.
Please sing me a Mohammad Aziz song.
मैं मर्द तांगे वाला मैं हूँ मर्द तांगे वाला
मुझे दुश्मन क्या मारेगा मेरा दोस्त ऊपर वाला. Okay, the next one. Sing me a Honey Singh song.
Oh, हनी सिंह
Yo, honey singer.
कुड़ी यानी तेरे ब्राउन रंग दे मुंडे पट देने सारे मेरे टाउन दे.
Too cool, buddy. Radhe's killing it. Okay?
अरे, he's the
Sing me
boy.
a song with the word jungle in it, a Bollywood song.
जंगल 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 बात चली है पता चला है अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है फूल खिला
It's a
है.
Doordarshan song, not a Bollywood song, but we still give you the points, all right? Sing me a song with a famous hook step.
Oh my god.
ये
तौबा,
अपना
तौबा.
आनंद का
तौबा जाओ.
तौबा तौबा
Well done. And the last one, ladies and gentlemen, is Sing Me, because we must. We love him. Govinda song.
Oh, he's
Oh,
lovely.
मैं तो रस्ते
से जा रहा था
मैं तो भेलपुड़ी खा रहा था
मैं तो
रास्ते से जा रहा था भेलपुरी खा रहा था लड़की घुमा रहा था
तुझको
मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं.
You would have. This is all the BTS of Bandish Bandits season 2 because ये आपको स्क्रीन पे नहीं दिखेगा. What you will see though is great families, great stories, and great locations and great songs. It's very hard to ever say that a season 2, could be compared to a season 1, but I am comparing, and let me just say, it's better. It's fantastic. Fantastic. Amazing. I'm living for this love triangle, guys. Your love triangle is why I'm here. Okay. So please keep loving.
Yeah,
and
we
thank
have a 4th place. Please come.
I love it. Thank you so much for talking to
So
me.
we are coming on 13th
Yes.
Yeah.
of December
Yes.
on Amazon Prime.
Thank you.
So yeah.
Please देखिएगा.
देख लो, please.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.